How to make more sales in any business with 3 things.
You probably won't like it, but you must not skip doing number 3.
Today we empower you to turn your business dreams into reality. And we're tackling some of the most common challenges that business owners face. We'll discuss 3 of the issues and share the solutions so that you can truly unleash your potential. Now, we must say that number 3 is usually the hardest for business owners, and it's also the one that brings in the most appreciated and most tangible results. Here's challenge number 1 and what to do. Have you ever had it that you dream of a growing and thriving business that brings in more sales, but you're stuck in a constant struggle? The sad issue here is this. A lot of the times, what we see is the gap between our aspirations and a harsh reality. It's like standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at this impossibly tall peak, and wondering how on earth you'll get up there. This is where the concept of having resources to help you build a strong foundation comes into play. Now reframe it, and understand that the reason that the towering mountain is standing solid like that is because it has a very strong base. Otherwise, it would be easy to make it collapse. Your business needs to be like that towering mountain. You see, a strong foundation provides stability, balance, and the ability to withstand storms. So what does this mean for you in making more sales? A strong foundation means you or your trusted resources having a clear plan laid out for your business, a deep understanding of your target audience, as well as a solid grasp of your high-converting products or services. It involves having achievable short-term goals set up, which will inspire a winning streak to your long-term vision. It's about identifying your trusted source of a workable and winning vision and support to help you ensure that your business is built on a rock-solid belief in a beneficial and fulfilling mission based on serving and a commitment to growth. You may be wondering, how can I do all of this on a limited budget? Well, here's just the thing. Having a strong foundation put up doesn't always require a massive budget. In fact, starting small with a strong support power base and learning as you go is a proven way to benefit from creation of a lasting empire. By taking the time and utilizing resources to have a strong foundation set up for your business, you can avoid the pitfalls that many businesses encounter. Your foundation, once achieved or delivered, is your roadmap to success. And it's within your reach, regardless of your starting point. So, on this number 1 challenge, don't let the daunting appearance of business aspirations deter you. Instead, focus on finding support for creating a solid foundation that will anchor and prime your business for more sales. As with anything in life, the journey may not be too easy, but with the right base, you can reach greater heights than you ever imagined. So always remember to maintain a positive and abundant mindset to attract the best version of your business that you need. Challenge number 2. Let's talk about that nagging self-doubt that creeps in. Have you ever been there? The real bad thing we know about self-doubt is that it can cripple your progress. Self-doubt stems from a dangerous belief system, and it has played a big role in many unfortunate endings. You might wonder, what does your belief system have to do with overcoming self-doubt? The answer is everything. Our beliefs shape our actions and reactions. When we believe in our abilities, self-doubt loses its grip. It's the law of attraction that teaches us this. Self-doubt carries a vibration which attracts more of a similar vibration back to you, which attracts and leads to actions which in turn reinforce your self-doubt. So you can appreciate how this is an unbearable, unending cycle. To break this cycle, you can replace it with deliberate repetitions of self-belief affirmations and actions, which produce a positive vibration. And this will attract the positive things you want for your business. So, the solution is to develop a resilient mindset by practicing daily affirmations and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Now here you may be questioning, can practicing these techniques really transform my belief system and boost my confidence? The answer is yes. It's a practice that many billionaires publicly proclaim to live by and swear by. As they say, success leaves clues. So, by consistently practicing these techniques, you can transform your belief system and see tangible improvements in your confidence and business performance. That's why a resilient mindset is the key. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Here comes challenge number 3. Scaling your business is challenge number 3. It's an aspiration for many, but it often seems unattainable. So, what causes this issue is that many businesses lack strategies for growth. But one of the most effective and absolutely crucial strategies for your business's unprecedented growth is learning to delegate and automate. You might object, I can't trust others with my business. But again, let's look at a comparison. Picture this, You continue doing everything on your own, working around the clock, and staying trapped in the day-to-day tasks. Or, now, consider this alternative. You get supportive insights and learn to delegate and automate certain aspects of your business, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture and strategic decisions. As a result, you free up your time while observing the miracle of what delegation and automation can do to scale up your business to heights it's never seen. The choice becomes clear, right? So don't let the fear of delegation and automation hold you back. It's a game changer for your business, gaining more sales and making the all-important 10x profit or more. So comment the words, reach out, if you've been dreaming of a growing and thriving business that brings in more sales, but you're stuck in a constant struggle and don't know quite where to begin or how to proceed from where you are. Remember, your aspirations can become your reality if you're willing to take action. Don't let doubt or obstacles hold you back. Keep pushing forward, and success will follow. If you found this video helpful, comment the word more. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, we're unlocking your full business potential.